guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are watching this video right now thinking, oh, I just need some motivation to clean my space, and you clicked on this video because you want the motivation to just pop right into you, then you're in the right place, because I guarantee you, I promise you that by the end of this video, you will have more motivation to clean your space than you do right now. Also, you'll see I filmed this in kind of like a different way. So let me know in the comments if you like it, or if you're like, Kat, that was just way too cheesy. Go back to your normal like type of style. I promise I won't be hurt either way. I just wanted to try out something fun. So let me know what you think, and let's get into it. Stressed, I get it. Your kitchen looks like a disaster. I think we can all admit it. But don't worry, because if you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed and like your place is so messy that there's no possible way you can clean it, I have it get back here, get back. I have a tip for you. Get back here. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Good. Okay. Just hear me out. I have a method that is going to help you so much. So I want you to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 method. Essentially what this is you're gonna look at the room and you're gonna pick 5 things to put away as you go. So look at your kitchen. What do you see first? Popcorn, great. Pick it up, put it away. That's one thing down. Big 6. I gotta be honest, I'm actually super motivated to keep cleaning now. Well, obviously, it was a great tip I gave you. Well, you're right, I should have listened to you in the first place. I'll give that to you. Okay, so now we're gonna finish cleaning the kitchen. And I love doing this because, first of all, it's kind of like a little game, which I find entertaining. It keeps you going, so you pick one item and then the second item and so on and so forth. But it also helps because whether you stop after 5 items or you keep going, some part of the space is cleaner than it was when you started. So I think this is a great way to get the momentum going of cleaning, get you in the right mindset and wanting to continue. And even if you don't, and after item 5, you're like, I'm done, then at least you got 5 things put away, so you're a little bit closer to a clean room. Moved on to the living room. Obviously, again, I could see it's not at its cleanest state, so we have some work to do, but don't worry because I have another great tip to help you out. So for this method, all you have to do is take a picture of the mess with your phone and post it on your Instagram. Now, if you don't like posting on social media, you could send this to your mom or your friend or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whoever you want to show these pictures to. But I find that once I share that picture of my messy space, I am very motivated to clean it up so that I can share the after of when it's actually clean. Again, whether that's on social media or whether that's on just to your friends or family. And the reason I love this one so darn much is because not only are you motivating yourself by wanting to share a before and after of your messy versus clean space, but you're also motivating whoever is seeing your photos. So whether it's on social media or if it's just a friend or family that you're texting the picture to, they're getting to see that, wow, that space went from messy to clean, it looks so nice. And then it will hopefully give them a little bit of motivation to clean up their space as well. I like your laundry room. This is super cute. Thanks. Turn off Girlfriend's Guide to Divorce. I know you like that show, and go to YouTube and search Clean With Me. There are so many YouTubers who do Clean With Me, clean my entire house with me, fast cleaning routine, deep cleaning routine. I recently found this YouTuber, Catherine Elaine, and she does a whole bunch of cleaning and organization and like Clean With Me videos, so I've been really liking her channel. We're gonna watch one of her videos while we fold my laundry. And one of my favorite things about doing this is I find if I'm just watching a regular Netflix show, it's super easy to get sucked in and then just kind of sit there and watch the show instead of clean. But with this, if I start to do that and just decide to sit down or stop cleaning and watch the YouTube video, The YouTube video is cleaning. So it's kind of going to be a reminder of like, hey Kat, you're watching a video about cleaning because you're supposed to be cleaning. So it's still entertaining, but it helps to avoid you like kind of just pausing on cleaning and taking a break to watch whatever the show is, because when you do watch it, it's like, hey, get your butt back to cleaning. That's what you're supposed to be doing. I see you. I see you lying on your bed thinking, yeah, these tips are working. They're kind of motivating, but you're not up yet. You're not cleaning yet. Why are you not cleaning yet? I want to watch your video. Okay, well, because you want to finish the video. That makes sense. So for this next tip, we are talking about the power of the mind. Your mindset is such a powerful tool. So for this tip, I want you to close your eyes and imagine your space being completely clean. The bed is made, clothes are put away, there's nothing on the floor. The mind is so powerful that by just imagining your space being exactly what you want it to look like, well, chances are give you that little spark and motivation to say, hey, get your butt up, clean your space. You know you're gonna feel so much better after you do, so why the heck are you being lazy? And then clean. The power of the mind is so darn incredible, and if you are reminding yourself of how great you're going to feel once your space is clean, 9 times out of 10 for me, that is all that I need to get my butt up. And a little bonus tip I've talked about in other videos, I think taking a before and after picture, as we did in the earlier step, but for yourself, so that you could just save it to your phone, you don't have to share it with anyone, and then when you're lying there super unmotivated, take a look at the before and after picture, and that again is going to give you a little bit of like, hey, okay, I got this. I can clean my space because I did it then, and I can do it again. Guys, this final tip is honestly one of the most important, really in anything you do in life, anything that you want to succeed at, but obviously for today's video, we're talking about cleaning. And I want you to listen to this quote carefully and really take it seriously. Motivation will make you grow. Motivation makes you start. Motivation gets you going. Motivation gets you going. Motivation gets you going. Discipline keeps you growing. Do you always feel like going to work? Probably not. Do you always feel like going to class? Probably not. But you do those things because you know that you have to, because they're part of a longer term goal, whether going to school to get a job or going to work to get your money. At the end of the day, you're not always motivated to do those things, but you are disciplined enough to actually follow through with it. So when it comes to cleaning your space, you may not feel like doing it, and you may not have any motivation to get your butt up and start cleaning, but if you have the discipline with yourself to say, hey, I know that once I do this, I'm gonna feel so much better because it's helping to make my space feel more homey and welcoming and enjoyable to be in. That discipline right there with yourself is what's really going to continue your keeping a clean home and keeping a clean home and a clean space. If you watch until this part of the video, comment, you got this, so that when we're all reading through the comments and you see anybody else commenting, you got this, you know that they're talking to you and they're telling you that you got this, you can clean your space. And of course, I'll have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked above me so you can watch those videos while you do your cleaning, as we talked about. That's very helpful. I actually have a brand new Clean With Me coming out next Monday, so subscribe if you're not already. And I think that's about it. So I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.